So okay ka na?
You know, of course, like I said, parang I didn't have much time yet to, you know, be Jake and be free and find yourself and, you know, do all these things. Parang, imagine I also have to work out every single day because I'm trying to lose weight for the other role. Diba? So, like when I commit myself kasi to a project, there's no way I'm gonna give my 110%. You know what I mean? And like I said, parang sa kapanahonan natin ngayon, to have a lot of multiple projects like this, I really know how lucky I am. So hindi ko kaya, wala akong kayang biguin. I have to put my problems aside and be okay, diba? And go to work.
Aside from work, sino yung support system?
My mom. Pero like I said kanina, this whole experience, truthfully, I went through it by myself. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung parte ng buhay ko na yun because it was private. So I also breathe this alone and in private. So in the most part, I'm okay. But of course, diba, parang, like I said, parang it would be nice to, you know, have some time, 2 weeks or 3 weeks. But again, I have to just remind myself na the last time I went through this, ang hirap ng buhay ko noon. I didn't have a lot of things with me. This time in my life, I have so many things. Hindi ko kaya biguin ang batang kaya ko, hindi ko kaya biguin ang what lies beneath at hindi ko rin talaga bibiguin sila direct next step. So, mamaya na natin problemahin yung mga yan. Let's be a man about it and just work through these things. The only way out is through.
Pero Jake, ilang percent na sa nababasa? Sa tingin mo, karma or...
You know, to be honest, it's all noise na lang for me. It's just a lot of opinions that don't matter. Kasi the most important opinion to me back then was hers. Diba? So all of these things are just noise to me. Again, parang, you know, when you've gone through a career like mine, na you have videos of me handcuffs on the sidewalk, diba? From those things, you don't really worry about scandals or controversies like this. In fact, like, to be honest with you, like, I like to just move past it because I don't enjoy this part of the industry. I don't enjoy this part of show business, of acting. I enjoy that, you know, shooting and taping and filming and doing things. Diba? So this is not a comfortable position for me, to say the least. And to be honest with you, I wish na masarado na natin to and we can all just move on with our lives. Kasi to be quite honest with you, that's what I have to do as a man right now.